हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई थिंक वी ऑल आर वेरी वेल एंड वेरी एनर्जेटिक. यस? ओके then. Today we are going to start our class 11 subject maths topic, our favorite topic, trigonometry. Yes? Okay then. Our favorite topic, trigonometry. Okay? Yes. In today's class, we discuss about angles. Yes, we all know that how we can convert degree form to radian form and radian form to degree form. Yes, now in today's class, I am telling you what is the value of 1 radian in degree. Okay? Yes, for that, as we know, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay? Here it is 1 dash. 1 dash represent minutes in angles in trigonometry. Okay? Yes, similarly, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Here, this double dash represent seconds for angles in trigonometry. With the help of these, we can find the value of 1 radian in degree. Okay? Yes. And we all know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Okay? So, 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree. Yes? Now, as we know, what is the value of pi? Pi is constant and it is equal to 22 upon 7. Yes? Can we put here? Okay. So, 180 upon 22 upon 7. And as we know, denominator of the denominator convert in numerator. Yes? So, it is 180 into 7 upon 22. Can we simplify them? It is value of this 630 upon 11. It is in degree. But can we divide 360 by 11? Yes. In trigonometry, there is some different rules of division method for calculating angles in degrees. Okay, yes. I am telling you how we can divide in degrees. Okay? Yes. First of all, 630 degree divided by 11. First division is simple. Like it is 5 times 55 80. Okay? Now it is 7 times 77 and it is 3. Yes? There is 3 remainder. Okay? Means we can't divide 3 by 11. Yes? Now it is in degree and 3 is less than 11. So, by this relation, 3 degree can be converted in minutes like this, 3 into 60 minutes. So, it is 180 minutes. Yes? Now, 180 is greater than 11. So, we can divide 180 by 11. Okay? Now, 180 minutes divided by 11. Same process as well as this. Yes, it is 1 time 70, 6 time 66. And it is 4. Is that clear? Yes, this division in degree form, this division in minute form. Yes, we have this relation also. So, we can break this minute into seconds also. Yes, like 4 minute is equal to 4 into 60 seconds. Yes, it is 240 seconds. We can divide 240 by 11. So, how many times? 2 times. How many times? 1 time. Okay, but yes beta, after this division method we have again remainder 9. So it is not completely divisible. Okay, so value of 1 radian in degree is approximate value. Yes, now we can say 1 radian is equal to 57 degree, 16 minute, 21 second, 21 second, approx. Okay then, now we know that value of 1 radian in degree, it is this. Yes beta, it is approximate value. In some books there is value of 1 radian is mentioned 57 degree, 16 minute, approx. And in some other books as 57 degree, 16 minute, 22 second approx. So these are values mentioned in different books. Yes, and these all are correct values. Why? Because this is approximate value and this is very minor value. So we can use this, also this. Okay. Now, how we can calculate the value of more than 1 radian in degree? Okay. I take one example. Yes, like we want to find the value of 6 radian in degree. Okay, so it is our revision for this topic. Yes, now we all know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi degree, and we want to calculate 6 radian. So 6 radian is equal to 6 into 180 upon pi degree. Is that clear? Yes. Now put the value of pi. It is 6 into 180 upon 22 and 7 convert in numerator. Okay. So it is 1190 and you can calculate it. Yes beta, it is 3780 upon 11. Okay. Yes beta. Now we divide 3780 by 11, but with same pattern of division in trigonometry. First of all, 3780 divided by 11. Yes, this division in degree form. 3 times 4, 8. 4 times 4, 0. 3 times. It is remainder 7. Okay. This division in degree. Yes. Now, we all know that 7 degree can be written as 7 into 60 minutes for 20 minutes. Is that clear? So, we taking this. Okay. Dividing 3 times 8 times 2. Okay then. Now, again, we know that 2 minute is equal to 2 into 60 seconds. Yes, it is 120 seconds. So, we can calculate it. It is 120 divided by 11. How many times? We all know that it is divided by 10 times. 1 10. Okay. It is 10. Yes. This is seconds. So, we can say that value of 6 radian is equal to 343 degree, 343 degree, 38 minutes and 10 seconds approx. Okay then.